What's up, guys? Welcome back, Crypto Fam. Hope you guys are well. We are reporting with some profits today with the mind of Pepe AI agent fused together with a Pepe themed meme coin. And look at this, we've actually reflected here. This green line that I've just literally drawn on the chart that reflects when stage one buyers got in. So effectively, you had the chance to make, if you already sold, of course, 33%. So we had faith in our little green Pepe, and of course, combining it with an AI agent sort of fundamental value and utility, it's delivered. It's been really good. The launch was a bit rough. I guess some people were just a bit afraid and they sold. Insane selling pressure occurred, but then you can see a lot of accumulation happened here, sparked more marketing, and the price just climbed up, 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 and up. And yeah, it just looks absolutely fantastic to see here. So we could potentially get more continuation. Not saying for sure that will happen. If we did, I've got my eyes on the 1.618 Fibonacci level, which would lead to another pump from where we currently are, about 30%, which then in turn would mean people who did buy the pre-sale and got in early, they would then be up a whopping 54%. That's not bad for a market like this one, for a market that's lacking euphoria and excitement right now. I think, this is a decent chart, and we can actually see looking at it from a technical perspective. You've also got an ascending triangle, which is a bullish continuation chart pattern. Of course, over the last 2 hours, we've had 3 consecutive red candles, but we are just basically hanging on to this support region, and we did lose the support. You can actually see quite clearly that the support was lost, and we actually got a lot of buying pressure over here at 0.0033. So fingers crossed we might get more continuation. Now, what can we look at for Miner Pepe? The terminal will be live in 24 hours. That's another thing to look forward to. More utility, more fundamental value, and going back to the websites, the AI agent is indeed live, but that terminal is that next thing to come. So this could also ignite more interest in the ecosystem. It says here live June 6th. It's literally been live, that's the actual terminal. So that's live tomorrow, but the token itself has only been live since I think like a day or two ago. So really recent. That's the 3rd of June, and that's the difference of what 2 days can make with a project with a strong team that know how to market and know how to propel a token. So far so good with mind of Pepe. And yeah, we're going higher and higher, and hopefully we can get into that 0.004 territory, because then things will start to look very bullish for mind of Pepe. What else is cooking in this crypto space right now? Well, the next one naturally I've got my eyes on is Slaxy, which I've already bought a bunch of. Slaxy, the Solana layer 2. Next evolution in layer 2 technology doesn't just build on Solana, it unlocks its full potential. So you can imagine what this is already. It helps alleviate the pain and pressure points in the Solana OG ecosystem. So it helps with network congestion, failed transactions, scalability, limitations. And we can see right at the top of the website, it literally says launching on major exchanges. So that's something I'm seriously looking forward to. 91% staking rewards. Really easy to buy. Of course, I'll leave a link down below so you can research this token. Hit buy with crypto. Choose one of your favorite wallets here and simply convert, either Ethereum or Tether using your favorite wallets like Best Wallet, MetaMask, into a desired amount of SolX tokens, which are priced at 0.001746. If we get anything like Mind of Pepe, we're going to see hopefully a pump as well for Slaxy, because so far so good. We're seeing some decent continuation for this token. They raised $44 million today, which is absolutely insane. A lot of folk getting excited now about the Slaxy ecosystem, and only 10 days left to go. So you don't have to lock in for a long period and have a long wait on the side. I'm very excited to see what might happen with this coin. Pre-sale process is now. Token generation event, bridging and listing happen soon. So yeah, buckle up, guys. This could be something absolutely insane. Quite bullish. 138 billion max supply here at the same time. Super easy to buy. But if you have any questions, you can always ask down below, or alternatively hop into my Patreon, where we're putting out these pre-sales anyway. So look, we've got a few others actually in the Discord if you're keen to join and find out more. Of course, we have Mind of Pepe here. A lot of holders made some decent money with this. There are a few others that are live, like Bitcoin Bull, Subtoken, Nauta token as well, if you're looking to dabble into other pre-sales. But yeah, Slaxy right now could be that next big one, and that is the next one to go live. So check out my Patreon to get early insights, find the next big alphas, and also discover easy to follow buy and sell signals. And if you're also looking for the lowest exchange fees in the crypto space right now, we did a video recently talking about how exchange fees can sap away your profits very, very quickly. For example, there is an exchange out there, I won't say which one, but it's got a maker fee of 1%. So if you bought $10,000 worth of Ethereum, you've lost $100 straight away. Well, KSEX provides the lowest fees in the market. I'm not even making this up. Get signed up down below today with KSEX if you are curious to save more money over time and have more money left over to enjoy exciting tokens like Salaxy or memecoins or other things like that. Do remember, guys, this video is absolutely not financial advice. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Always do your own research and due diligence. And check out KSEX down below. You might even get some juicy sign-up bonuses. Bye for now. Subscribe, follow, do all those YouTubey things. Give a like and comment down below. Just let the algorithm know that we do exist around here sometimes in this very, very slow and boring market. Bye for now. Peace.